In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Hibernate option missing on Windows 11. Sometimes the Hibernate feature, which allows your computer to save the current state and shut down completely, might not be available in your power options. This can be a bit frustrating, especially if you rely on Hibernate to quickly resume your work. Let's walk through how you can enable Hibernate using Command Prompt and then add it to your power menu. First, we need to enable Hibernate using Command Prompt. To do this, start by right-clicking on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select either Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt, Admin. Choosing the Admin option is necessary because it grants you the permissions required to change system settings. Once the Command Prompt window is open, type in the command powercfg /hibernate on. After typing it, press the Enter key. This simple command turns the Hibernate feature back on in your system. Now that you've entered the command, go ahead and restart your computer. Restarting is a crucial step to ensure that the changes we just made take effect properly. Once your computer reboots, the next step is to add Hibernate to the power menu. To do this, we're going to access the power options settings. First, press the Windows plus R keys simultaneously on your keyboard. This will open the Run dialog box. In the box that appears, type in control.exe powercfg.cpl and then hit Enter. Doing so will open the power options window, where you can customize your computer's power settings. Within the power options, look over to the left-hand side and click on Choose what the power buttons do. This action will take you to another menu where you can adjust what happens when you hit the power button or close the lid of your laptop. You'll notice that some settings are grayed out. To change these, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. By clicking this, you're essentially unlocking all settings so you can edit them according to your preferences. In the section labeled Shutdown Settings, you should now see a list that includes Hibernate. Simply check the box next to the Hibernate option. Once you've done this, don't forget to click on Save Changes at the bottom to ensure that your adjustments are recorded. Now you've successfully re-enabled Hibernate, and it should be visible in the Start menu's power options. Going forward, whenever you click on the power button in the Start menu, you should see the Hibernate option available. This option will allow you to quickly save your current session and power off your computer, ready to resume at any time, helping you streamline your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Windows tips and tricks.